Hello everyone, I'm Charnel and this is a wash and go video. I know, right? A wash and go? I'm able to get a nice definition in my hair, and I'm working with this virgin, kinky, type 4, African, Afro puff hair that hasn't been exposed to direct heat, dye. Starting off with my aloe vera gel. So my voice sounds kind of weird. I had laryngitis, I still kind of have it. It's been 2 weeks, so who knows? This may be my voice now. I didn't want to be away from YouTube forever, so I detangled my hair in the shower with my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush and some conditioner. So I'm rubbing this BODYWORKS curl defining cream into my hair. Jumping into the Eco Styler gel portion of our show. I'm going to turn on the sink here. I'm going to go through my hair in sections like this, grab a scrunchie for the rest. And just a quick length check for you guys. My hair is different lengths going around, and I do want to give myself a trim soon, because although I did just get a haircut a month ago, it kind of gets like longer and longer as you go back, but then in the back I still have like shorter pieces. My hair was shaped with like electric clippers, so it's not totally even. So I want to go back in and fix that, but I'm going to do that another day. I'm going to add the Eco Styler gel. I'm adding gel, and I'm also doing like water with it to get a slip going with the gel. And my hair is also like cut around very short here so that my hair would have that like tall shape to it. I'm going to go through small sections and kind of just smooth it out. My hair is just naturally a little bit more frizzy around the edges. And I'm raking it a little bit, but I also want to smooth it because that ultimately helps it be more defined. And my hair will show me where it naturally wants to separate. But you see, like, it's kind of starting a little bit already. But it's definitely important to go through in small sections like this to try to get it to pop. And this is the shingling method, where I'm going through and smoothing out small sections to reduce frizz and get the curls to pop through. And my curl pattern is not very uniform. Like, you see how my curls are just kind of like all over the place, and they don't necessarily go in a spiral. It's just like however they feel. It's the gel that's helping it, that's like molding it. And I try not to rush, because like the more detailed I am with this, the longer I can get the wash and go to last. So that's the first section. It's not gonna have this much hang time once it dries, but it's fun to look at. On to the next section. I love how the Eco Styler gel helps my hair look neat, but it takes like no time at all to do this. It's so easy. I've got this like shortness in the back that I kind of just put a bunch of gel in and just sort of like try to rake at it, get it to do something. Okay, so now you see it starting here. Just want to add a little bit of water to this. There we go. Once it gets to that slimy point, I know it's time to try to get these curls out. So edges are a little bit harder, but it's okay. I'll just let it do what it does. It's like my hair is doing it already, and it's helpful to just pull it apart where it wants to come apart at. So this is my wash and go. And my hair is still wet, so I'm just going to blow dry it. And once my hair is dry, you won't be able to see all of this like product. As I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna like try to scrunch it a little bit. That also helps to get the product to go away. So let's start blow drying. So my hair is not 100% dry. It still has like kind of a nice dewiness, kind of still wet, but that's totally fine. I just try to like blast it to try to get the product to be less visible, and then in areas where it's like clearly visible, I'll try to like pinch it or rub it, but this looks pretty good. And I'm not even gonna touch this part right here because my hair is at a point where like if I try to brush this out, it's just gonna look at me like, what are you doing? Like, it's at a length where it just will not do what I want it to do, and that's totally fine. I'm just gonna leave it, and that is it. Super easy style, wearing my hair in its natural texture, feeling confident and good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at solarpoweredlions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.